Installing the adapter for BMW 3-pin. Step 1. Remove the cover. Use the included pry tool. To carefully pry, open the gap in the cover. Step 2. Connect the Y cable. Locate the vehicle's original 3-pin connector and unplug it. Take the Y cable from the package. Plug the Y cable's 3-pin connector into the vehicle's original port. Connect the vehicle's original 3-pin connector to the 3-pin port on the Y cable. Take the adapter from the package. Attach the Y cable's 8-pin circular connector to the adapter's port. Step 3. Connect the adapter to the dash cam. Mount the adapter to windshield. Reinstall the cover to the original position. Connect the adapter to your dash cam using the provided cable. Finally, your adapter and dash cam are now ready for use.